So in this video I will show you how do you understand notcoin, what is notcoin is, how to earn this this token that is now ongoing is pre-market of notcoin. Like every airdrop, when they given people airdrop, at that time they give early users some token for distribution. Okay, as well as they provide you a mining, not a airdrop. So how do you get this thing? First thing first, you need to come there for my telegram for getting link. So come into telegram, and in the telegram, while you click on my link, at the time you will come into here, click in menu, click start, and after that here is three option they will provide you in front of your screen, will be pop up, and here is three, last of the three, how to play. Click on there. Every instructions will give you. They are: tap to earn. Notcoin is a viral clicker game where you earn coins by tapping the screen. It is so simple. You know every mad person, every older, even your grandfather, your grandmother can do that. So easy to do. And maybe later this coin you can be turned, this coin you can be converted into real money like notcoin. So now I will show you totally real way, real world way. Don't talk so much. So click on play button, and telegram native browser will be open. So if you just click on this button, your point will be increased. If you try that like this way, like your five finger tap on like this way, your point will be more increased, double way. Okay, so it's up to you how long day you can do that. I just show you. So as well as you can invite your friend, earn. As well, I'm new here from zero to hero in web3. Everything you can check here. So web3 world. So now you can check everything here. Feel free. Start. It is the telegram native browser. Community. So now that is opening. Start with task. So here we squished. You don't need to do that. So I just trying to see that what is the heck behind this quiz. But ultimately the important task is minting, like tap on screen and earning point, that thing. So these are nothing, you don't need to do anything here. So back, click back button, and again back button. Now if you want to boost your point, auto tab bot, that is off now. Multi tap, get, I'm buying multi tap, I buy multi tap. So now if I click on, let me see what happened. Multi, it's been double, it's been double. Have you noticed that? So if I tap on my five finger, it will be increased so much. Okay, so you can boost your point. So click on there again. So researching speed, so if I click on there, get boost energy limit. If you buy this thing again, your point will be increased, but your point will be minus, but B minus no problem, because of your point will be increased while you will going to tap on the screen. So now if you noticed, your point will be increased so much. Don't take any much time. So it will be listed very soon. So here is their post not current pre-market vouchers represent. Every token you get to tapping a screen, it's your voucher. Very soon you will get something from their airdrop. If I get update, I will know you. Inside of our telegram, come into telegram link has in comment box of this video. Check out. And notcoins twitter, if we check, you will get a lot of you will get a lot of update about notcoin. 30 million people have joined notcoin. Wow. They never, I would say, will do scam with people, because they are zero following, 1.3 million followers. Bank Indonesia follow them. So Bank is the exchanger. Pretty much every, like, pretty much, a lot of people know about Bank. They are trusted, so they follow them. If you noticed here, Bank Indonesia, this account. So anyway, here is a lot of ton, follow them. Web3 Moonbirds, follow them. And yep. So now what should I do here? Earn point, keep earning, mining. And here is post. Yesterday 10 million notcoin equals 7.5 ton, 3.8x equal 28.5. Now 10 million notcoin, 7.5 ton. Notcoin price has been increasing day by day, so they share with that here. So notcoin community, 5 largest channel on telegram, probably nothing. So running up telegram channel, telegram tips, telegram news, proxy, not telegram premium, notcoin community. So maybe you will get something. I will pretty much, sure. Check it out in April. Protocols highest after Solana. What the share? Ton blockchain. Okay. So Notcoin will be listed in blockchain of Ton. Like if you noticed that a lot of token listed on several kind of well-known blockchain like Ethereum, BSC, as well as Matic, Polkadot, like several kind of blockchain. So here is Ton. Notcoin would be listed maybe on Toncoin, like Ton blockchain, TRX people call it. Okay, so you can check out their Twitter if you are interested about this Notcoin and how do you sell. Everything will be updated. um, Everything would be updated in the future in their telegram. Their website would be here. Maybe it's telegram. You can swap your token inside of here, no problem. Like if I check my, hotcoin, hot wallet, here is everything. Like swap button has existent, so how much thing you wanna swap. So like if you wanna swap too near, you will get 7 USDT. So pretty much imagine telegram has a system that is I like, because of, telegram is exceptional social media, and they have wallet, they have, you know easy to use apps, I would say. So Notcoin, if I come back again in Notcoin, Notcoin is the token. that will be that. So if I search on Google about what is Notcoin. So Notcoin is free and easy to use Telegram game whose play is centered around people tapping their phone's screen to earn points. Okay, okay, is Notcoin real or fake? So it's a meme. I do not click here. It's a meme. Like Elon Musk, their Elon Musk coin is Dogecoin. So Elon Musk said in interview that uh, Dogecoins created for doing fun intentionally. He said because that was his token, and Dogecoin is uh, now pretty much emerging position. So he said that ultimately it will go to real coin, you know, fun coin to real coin, like Dogecoin to real coin, like it's it will go to nearby Bitcoin. So Elon Musk said like this way, it's created by fun way, but it will be go to real coin. So same way, not coin, maybe this owner is created this coin for doing fun, but ultimately they see a lot of, you know, a lot of crowded, a lot of people are interested about this token. So if you see the who is the owner of Notcoin, owner of Notcoin is owner of Bitcoin. Owner of Bitcoin is not known, Satoshi Nakamoto the name. So it's not what is Notcoin all about? Enabling user to mine or earn a digital currency known as Notcoin. How does Notcoin work? Allows user to earn coins by simply tapping the screen. So simple thing. Google say this way. So yep. So Notcoin, earn, keep earning, tap on, keep earning. Always click on earning. So this is the thing. Very soon you will get update. It will be listed or not. It will be must be listed. So it will take some time. And yep, if you wanna know about Notcoin, anything, how to earn, how to swap, when it will be like any update, if you wanna know, feel free to comment out of this video and come into Telegram for reaching out me. I will talk with you directly with you inside of Telegram. Even if you have any problem about crypto, I will I will help you to doing call, you know. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.